This is the dum pukt biryani. This is the Lucknowi, I think, masala biryani. Which biryani is this?
I
Don't
think
know.
Nah, I think
They're just basically very yummy biryanis.
biryanis.
And this is the gravy,
Salan.
the salan.
The salan.
So, मुंह में पानी का भाई.
The Lucknowi one, you know? This was the Lucknowi one, right?
Yo. Akash, this is a damn video, man.
Oh, sorry.
I think it's rolling.
It is rolling, man.
आज तुम देखो, तुम आज गुलाब जामुन लग रहे हो
तुम रसगुल्ले
और मैं लग रहा हूँ रसगुल्ला. शर्ट भी कैसी है. और हम खाने की बात आज इसलिए कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली बिकॉज़ यू नो वी हैव we've got two very very lovely people and
तुम्हें घूमना पड़ेगा आशीष. You have to turn around.
hello,
Hi.
who are you?
Hi guys, my name is Nidhi. I'm here to deliver awesome food to these two amazing people.
Yes, and my friend here over
My
here.
name is Tausif and
Tausif, how are you, man?
I'm doing good, great. Thank you so very much. And what about you?
We are doing fine. Actually, हम जब भी खाना देखते हैं ना, हम अपने आप फाइन हो जाते हैं, नहीं भी हो तो.
खाना
Yes, yes, yes.
खाना से सुनते ही
सुनते ही on.
Yeah.
So, bro, now tell us about your cloud kitchen idea and how it came about.
So, honestly, coming from a Muslim family and my father has a penchant for taste.
All right.
Proper taste, everything has to be proper and my mom was really good at it.
Wow.
And that and growing up with flavors and spices and
Yes.
the taste, so it is imperative that you do attain few things.
Yes.
Like you develop good taste and all.
And I think to add to it, I think Akash and me together we agree the fact that if you know there was no Mughlai cuisine in India, there like almost 80% of
The food would not be there.
would just not be there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So the idea comes from my mother. She had always been amazing, I would say, in terms of cook, improving her dishes every time, and she was like a kind of person who like she believed in learning more and more and learning every new thing from wherever she gets to know. And
Wow.
so me and my brother we planned for like more than 10 years ago
Huh.
that we had planned this thing, and then it sort of did not work out. But then again in 2018, me and one of my friends started to working on starting to run a food truck. So and it was everything was all ready, everything wasn't through with the plan, but we couldn't continue with because my mother suffered a brain hemorrhage. I had to go back to my hometown Patna.
Okay.
And then it took me like 6-7 months
Wow.
to come back to Delhi again.
Okay.
And then 2019 was like continuing with the job and everything.
So you were doing what exactly at that time?
For the last 12 years, I have been working as a business analyst
Okay.
with American Express.
Akash right now is analyzing the packet.
Which is more important.
Nidhi, आप बड़ी चुप हैं. Where?
Nidhi is on her phone.
Nidhi's gone, man. Disappeared. Okay. Yeah.
On with the wind.
So
Gone with the wind.
the actual idea popped in during the lockdown when I started.
Come
cooking-
closer to the light.
When I started cooking at home, and I had a friend staying with me for like 20-30 days.
Wow.
So and I used to give him and ask him about the feedback in me. One day he said,
Wow.
"Kitchen shuru kar do yaar.
Haan.
It's time now.
Haan.
I mean you've been working on it." So I thought again. This is lockdown. How to execute it?
Correct.
So obviously and thinking about cloud kitchen, this was totally new.
Yeah.
Correct.
Working on.
I think it's just
food
like the
truck
last few months or something. This whole
Yeah, I think-
concept of cloud
Yeah,
kitchen.
kitchen
and-
came into
I
it.
would
Yeah,
say
people are like giving like tutorials as to how to make successful cloud kitchens on Instagram and shit.
Right.
Man, apparently.
So me and my sister, we discussed about it, and she is like, yeah, "Let's do it. Let's see how it goes."
Okay.
So here we are. I mean, before it gets
Absolutely.
late and
So,
regret
so now,
anymore.
bro, now that you're here, so tell all the viewers
Yep.
how they can get in touch with you and order the food and what are the items on your menu.
So right now we have only two biryanis. One is the Lucknowi dum puk
Correct.
and a handi biryani, but
Okay.
we'll be adding more item to it.
देखो ये तो
Gradually,
आकाश और
over
मैं भी
time,
बिलीव करते हैं,
yes.
थोड़ा काम करो, अच्छा काम करो,
Exactly.
थोड़ा
Quality
करो,
matters a lot.
अच्छा करो,
Exactly.
25 चीजें मेन्यू में मत डालो,
Exactly.
2 चीजें करो,
Just like
and
Gordon Ramsay says.
oh my god,
Just like Gordon Ramsay says.
oh my goodness,
You have a fucking big menu.
it's okay to have a fucking big mouth, but it's not okay to have a fucking big mouth. It just confuses people. Okay, so
Yes, we are taking orders over the phone right now.
okay, so अपना नंबर बता दो, WhatsApp बता
Yes,
दो.
my WhatsApp number and where you can order is 9654
9654
368
368
459.
459. आकाश 10 थे ना पूरे?
And soon there'll be a Facebook page and Instagram page will be available.
And what is the brand name? Like, what's the?
So the idea comes all from my mother. So we named it after my mother, Nishat.
Wow.
So we call it Nishat's Kitchen.
Hey, awesome, man. Superb, superb. So thank you so much, bro. We will not take up your time because we know you have a long
Way
journey
back
to
home.
go back. And by the way, he's also a biker and he rides a 350
Yeah.
classic.
Yeah, I
Classic.
Biker, bro.
We bikers love our food.
We like us, love our food and our bikes.
Of course.
All right, thank you so much, bro. It was lovely
you.
meeting you, and we look
Same
forward
here.
to reviewing the food. And Akash,
Thank you guys.
final parting words, my friend.
Let's eat.
Let's see. So, firstly, thank you so much for our friends at Nishat's Kitchen.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The guy had a really inspiring story, I think.
हाँ तो like he worked for some food trucks and all in the past और अभी जो है like he took the inspiration from his mother's cooking and now he's preparing some really awesome खाना तो हम अब खाना खाएंगे.
It's gonna be a mukbang, bro.
What is mukbang?
Mukbang नहीं भैंस की हाँ. Mukbang. MUKBUNG basically that school of video making, that school of thought
अच्छा.
where people eat food
Okay.
and YouTube पे पूरी दुनिया भर के भूखे हमको देखेंगे और उनको लगेगा हाँ वो भी खाना खा रहे हैं.
चलो. So we'll start with the
This
dum
is the
biryani.
Damput biryani, that's the Lucknowi biryani, and this is the salan.
This is salan. तो let's take.
Let's dig, man.
तुम
Let's...
किसे शुरू करना चाहते हो?
भाई एक काम करते हैं, पहले दोनों सर्व कर लेते हैं.
हाँ.
तो you serve that, I'll serve this.
Cool.
ठीक है. So this thing has layers to it, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, it's got bloody layers to it, man.
Cool.
It's amazing shit. मतलब मुझे, I'm sorry, not shit, but it's amazing.
Amazing food.
Amazing food. And thank you so much for these guys. They came all the way from Janakpuri because they wanted us to taste and review the food.
Like seriously, man.
And Akash, considering we're not really food vloggers, but you know, because I've been posting all that food
We are
that
just
I've
food
been
people.
making. Yeah, and because of that, you know, somebody put some faith in us.
Yeah.
And they thought that, fucker, give me some chicken. Akash is all out here, भैंस की आग.
ये रहा तुम्हारा चिकन.
The
खाओ चिकन.
So basically, these guys just saw us on. They saw me like posting a lot
On
of,
Insta.
food stuff on Insta and on Facebook. So they basically got in touch that they wanted us to review. तो मैंने बोला भाई, why not? You know,
We will review the food.
we shall review it. We will do it. We will stand up to the occasion.
Like literally.
Actually, we're sitting down, but
You get the gist.
yes. Okay. I'm going for it, man.
You start, buddy. I am going to join you.
Yes.
No, I can't even speak because मेरे मुंह में इतना पानी.
पानी आ गया है.
कौन से ट्राई करो पहले तुम?
Yeah, this one, the dampuk.
The dampuk. Okay. Little bit of salan here. Little bit of salan there. Okay. So I am going to try the other one. This one. पहले. The Lucknowi one, है ना? This was the Lucknowi one, right? Oh.
So my first reaction to the dampuk biryani is that I have not tasted anything like this here.
Okay.
मतलब मैंने बिरयानी ब्लूज खाया है
हाँ मतलब
और मैंने वो बिरयानी में किलो भी खाया है.
वो ये
But,
ड्राई नहीं है तो जैसे ड्राई होती है ना मोस्टली बिरयानीज आर ड्राई इट इज नॉट दैट ड्राई
It's also not like very dominating with flavor. It's
Exactly.
just the rice is there, the masala is there, but it's nothing like really overpowering anything.
बिल्कुल. Which how the biryani should be. Everything should be the culmination of everything. And of course the meat is cooked perfectly. ठीक है, आपने कभी कभी बिरयानी में चिकन अंडर कुक्ड रह जाता है, तो उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं है. I'm gonna try the handi one now. Oh, I love that crunch. थोड़ा सा crunch आ गया. I think because of the way it is cooked, the meat got a little bit more, थोड़ा सा
Garified.
हाँ नहीं, थोड़ा सा वो हो गया.
Crunchy?
Crunch हो गया.
Okay, because of probably the heat of the
Exactly. The
of
matka.
the matka.
But which is pretty good here. I like that taste.
Okay, I'm trying the handi one as well now. No, the
Lucknowi one.
Lucknowi one. It is definitely more spicy. It's more, I think, closer to that Hyderabad school of thought, जिसमें काफी मसाले होते हैं.
Exactly.
तो अगर आपको मसाले अच्छे लग रहे हैं, तो maybe you can go in for that one.
हाँ.
Or if you like that Muradabadi style, then I think you can go for this one.
The handi one.
Because this is more like that one. Which is your favorite, Akash?
I love the Lucknowi one ज़्यादा.
I like the Muradabadi style, so मुझे हांडी वाली ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी.
मेरे को थोड़ा I have that kind of a taste of थोड़ा spicy खाना ना. तो मुझे वो थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. A little bit of spice there. मुझे थोड़ा I like that one, the Lucknowi one.
This is the first time anybody has ever sent us food to review.
Exactly.
So, like, this is like our first opportunity to do this.
Yeah, man.
And we just want to say thank you so much.
And
to-
जिन लोगों को हमारे हाथ से खाने से प्रॉब्लम है, you can go fish yourself.
Or chicken or mutton. You can do whatever yourself.
Exactly, man. Because चावल खाने का असली मजा is with the hand.
And also, if you've seen enough porn, you know, this always helps to be a handyman. Sorry, bad joke. But Akash, देख, इन लोगों ने 2 प्लेट भेजी है. And हमने काफी निकाल लिया है.
Exactly.
And काफी सारा बचा भी है.
Portions are pretty good here.
So, since my weight lossing happened, मेरा थोड़ा सा appetite कम हो गया है. So I would probably not be able to finish all of this.
Oh,
But if you have a huge appetite,
like me,
so you can probably order 1 plate is enough.
more than enough.
More than enough. And if there are like 2 of you, then or maybe even 3 of you, if you don't eat much, then 2 are enough.
2 portions are more than enough.
We didn't really ask them about the pricing,
Yeah.
so we don't know. But यार मुझे लगता है आकाश अच्छे खाने
हाँ, अच्छे खाने का कोई प्राइस नहीं होता.
प्राइस नहीं होता.
But if the food is good, then you should just go and have it.
And you know, Akash, sometimes when I spend too much money on food ना, मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ना अपने आप को कि यार ठीक है, हर रोज मत खाओ,
हाँ.
कभी कभार खा लो.
So मेरा क्या होता है ना, मैं साल में सिर्फ 1 या 2 बार ही KFC ऑर्डर करता हूँ. Yeah, that's it. So that too on a very special occasion.
So that it still stays special.
Exactly.
It stays special.
So like, now the flavors are started to kick in. So I definitely love the Lucknowi biryani because उसके अंदर थोड़ा ना spices हैं, like there was this दालचीनी in it, and also मेरे को वो टेस्ट थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Could be a possibility also हमें ज़्यादा spicy इसलिए भी लग रहा है because we add salan into it.
Yeah.
The salan also basically
I think he told us that जो plain वाली है, उसमें आप सालन कर सकते हो because वो थोड़ा सा dry है. But I like it, यार.
तो मुझे ड्राई नहीं लगा है, मतलब I didn't find the biryani is dry.
मुझे तो अच्छा लग रहा है खाना.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि चावल बिल्कुल सूख गए पक्के ना. ऐसे नॉर्मली क्या होता है ना बिरयानी में, एक तो आई लाइक द फैक्ट कि ये जो चावल है ना वो बड़े वाले चावल नहीं है, सेला चावल जो बेसिकली तुम कहीं बाहर से कोई बिरयानी खाओगे, सो लाइक देयर चावल्स आर सो बिग एंड सो ह्यूज. सो आई थिंक व्हाट दे आर यूजिंग, आई थिंक आइदर दे आर यूजिंग घर का बासमती, टूटा बासमती और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
टूटा नहीं है, आई थिंक वो टुकड़ा ना.
हाँ, दिस इज टुकड़ा बासमती व्हिच इज गुड, व्हिच गिव्स यू
I don't think this is टुकड़ा bro, but this is pretty big.
मतलब हाँ, बट इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट बिरयानी वाला चावल जो
जो बहुत ही बड़ा होता है.
हाँ, तो जैसे नॉर्मली जैसे इफ यू गो एंड बाय अ बिरयानी फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ना, एंड देन एक और मुझे बहुत अच्छी चीज लगी ना कि दे हैव नॉट एडेड दैट वो ऑरेंजी कलर इनटू इट, जो मोस्टली बिरयानी में लोग ना ऐड कर देते हैं.
Annoying होता है.
अनोइंग होता है, मतलब है थोड़ा सा है बट लेकिन ओवर पावरिंग नहीं है. सो या मेरे को ये अच्छा लगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि चावल इज नॉट दैट मोटा वाला चावल,
It's nice.
इट्स नाइस. और तो ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक ये एक्चुअली होममेड फूड है.
हाँ, मतलब किसी अच्छे घर का बढ़िया खाना है.
एग्जैक्टली.
And I would like encourage you to give it a try. मतलब you know.
ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड. आत्मनिर्भर भारत ऐसे बनता है.
Yeah, man.
When we
And I appreciate the fact that you know somebody is doing something out of their comfort zone. You know, क्लाउड किचन का कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो काफी रिसेंट है अभी.
हाँ, मतलब अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे ही पीपल स्टार्टेड इट. So now I will try it without the salad. Let's see. तुम्हें चाहिए राइस और?
भाई मेरा तो भर गया जी.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं bro? Let me at least put the whole of the. So मतलब you can figure it out कि दो मुश्तंडे खाना खा रहे हैं और उनका पेट भर रहा है and with the biryani which is absolutely amazing.
It's nice man. I like the मटका वाला ज्यादा.
अच्छा, हाँ तुम्हारा
मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा प्लेन ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ, तो मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा I like the.
You like the masala.
I like the masala things. Okay, without the salad also is pretty cool. मतलब I can't emphasize more on the fact कि भाई the चावल that they're using is pretty cool. मतलब मुझे चावल बहुत अच्छा लगा. Because बिरयानी में होता ही क्या है? Either it's the masala, either it's the chicken, or it's the चावल.
And I've had biryani after a very long time.
अच्छा.
I'm really enjoying it.
So shout out to what was the name of the place? I forgot again.
Nishat's Kitchen.
Nishat's Kitchen for sending us the amazing food. अभी उनके पास सिर्फ ये दो items हैं. They have the handi biryani, दमपुक biryani, and they have the Lucknowi biryani. लेकिन
they're going to add like more items to
they are going to add more items to their repertoire or
eventually,
and I hope कि they add a little bit of good mutton korma, which you don't find here. मतलब mutton korma आपको अच्छा मिल जाएगा, but आपको सर्च करना पड़ेगा. So I think if they try to do a good mutton korma और वो mutton बिल्कुल ऐसा कि like soft and tender and it melts.
Akash is burping and speaking, so you can tell how excited he is about the food.
After eating the food
and while actually still eating because
we really loved it.
यार आकाश ने ना सारा मीट निकाल दिया बेंच.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Fuck you, man. Fucker, he took like the biggest pieces. Anyway, so the thing is, bottom line is,
Love the biryani. So पहले बता देते हैं, we got this biryani. So we got the Lucknowi biryani and we got the
Dampuk biryani
from Nishat's Kitchen.
And the difference is basically the Dampuk biryani is kind of like, to make it simple for them, little more like Muradabadi style जिसमें मसाला थोड़ा सा कम होता है. The Lucknowi style is more like
जिसमें थोड़ा स्पाइसी होता है.
हैदराबादी जिसमें थोड़ा सा मसाला ज्यादा होता है. तो अगर आप स्पाइस लव करने वाले लोग हैं तो you can go for that or you can go for that.
So I love the spicy stuff. So मेरे को लखनवी बिरयानी बहुत अच्छी लगी. and Ashish liked the dampuk biryani, which was a little on the milder side.
बहुत अच्छा, very nice. The rice is very good quality.
The rice is one thing that I really loved the most about the whole biryani, because chicken was cooked perfectly and the spices were on point. What I
Nothing
really
was too
loved,
dominating also, like.
nothing was too dominating. The salad was also very tasteful. मेरे को सिर्फ अच्छा, जो मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छा प्लस पॉइंट होता है ना, when you buy a biryani or you want to eat a biryani, is the rice. Because rice is the main essence of this whole biryani. Because सब चीज़ों को bind करने का काम सिर्फ बिरयानी का यही होता है, राइस का. तो I really love the rice in the sense कि ये वो वाला राइस नहीं है जो आपको नॉर्मली ना कहीं आप कहीं बाहर बिरयानी खाओगे टू एट योर लोकल पॉइंट या लोकल जॉइंट, तो उनका वो बड़ा सा और मोटा लंबा राइस होता है. इट्स नॉट दैट राइस,
It's a decent smaller size rice, which is probably a basmati or a basmati tokda, if you're not wrong.
if we are not wrong.
I think it's a basmati only.
हाँ, could be. तो
But अच्छा है जो भी है, it's nice. And we don't know much about the price, but I think it'll probably be in the
मतलब
500,
हमारा
600.
hypothetical situation, both of these dishes combined will maybe
600-ish.
600-ish.
6-ish, maybe 7-ish.
हाँ, could be.
But यार देखो, अच्छे खाने पे हम प्राइस नहीं लगा सकते, because food is.
Food is food, man. जब भूख लगती है तो आदमी सोचता नहीं है, सिर्फ खाना खाता है. वो हमने किया.
And as a matter of fact, my cat also approves.
Yeah.
So I have given her a few little bits, and she's like, "Yo, man, where'd you get this from?"
Yo, man, I like that shit. So,
And in case you wondering where you can order this stuff from, Nishad's Kitchen.
yeah, Nishad's Kitchen is the place, and of course हम description में उसका सारी detail देंगे. We'll give you
Basically,
the WhatsApp.
the number. So basically, you call them and they'll deliver it. They are basically right now delivering in West
West
Delhi
Delhi only.
because Janakpuri में इनका base है. So all you West Delhi guys, if you want to go in for some nice biryani, you can try it out.
Yeah.
Right? हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि हमको अच्छी लगी, तुमको भी अच्छी लगी. Maybe your taste and palate is different, but you know why not give it a shot? Because in this coronavirus time, you know, a lot of people are trying out different businesses.
And this is not a paid promotion. This is
It's not paid promotion.
It's a plate promotion.
So plate of promotion, and we really liked it. You know, the guy who's the owner of the business actually came himself to deliver it.
Yeah.
And as you guys can see in the video before this.
Yeah.
And did we miss anything, Akash?
नहीं, we just love the food and you guys should also अभी
Give it a shot.
हाँ, अभी उनके पास सिर्फ यही दो बिरयानीज हैं. They are just starting off. So they have the Lucknowi biryani, they have the Dampuk biryani, but hopefully he has told us कि आने वाले टाइम में वो अपना जो है मेन्यू थोड़ा और इंक्रीज करेंगे.
Akash would like mutton korma. I would like some mutton or maybe even you know, like some nice kebabs. हाँ, nihari. Like 1 or 2 more items. But kebab में थोड़ा सा कुछ हो जाए.
कबाब में कुछ हो जाए, थोड़ा कबाबी हो जाए.
Kebabi
हो जाए,
हो जाए. Why not?
Why not? ठीक है. So thank you very much once again Nishad's Kitchen for sending us this amazing biryani. हमारा तो मतलब आत्मा तृप्त हो गई इसको खाकर. मतलब
Also thanks to Nidhi Kamal who hooked us up with this.
Yeah, Nidhi, thank you very much, yaar. And Nidhi is actually working with Amex.
And she's also a choreographer.
Yeah.
And she is a PR person. And
Yeah.
she's sort of helping out this business.
And she's helping out other एक दो businesses also.
So if you want to get in touch with Nidhi Kamal, look for her on Facebook and connect with her. Maybe she can also help them out with something or the other.
Exactly. Help one.
Another.
That's it.
Through this coronavirus time.
Yeah.
Whether it is voiceover artists like me, media people like him, or cloud kitchens like Nishad's Kitchen.
And if you want to send us your food and want us to eat it and review it on our
Call me on 8100810032 or Akash at
8527527762 or
you can email us at
cubelighton@gmail.com.
till next time.
Bye bye.
Tada!
और खाते रहना.
Nishad's Kitchen से